Hey everyone, so I'm making a sweet chili wings today, but a vegan version. Quite excited for this actually. So first of all, I need some mushroom. I'm gonna throw them all in the food processor and just blitz them up. Now we're gonna pour this into a mixing bowl. We're gonna add in our seasonings. So we have smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, as well as some vegetable bouillon here. Then let's add a pinch of salt and continue mixing it. So let's add some flour now. So I'm adding about 1.5 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of glutinous rice flour. So the next part is get 2 spoons, scoop up a bit. We're gonna chunk it into some corn flour and then we're gonna deep fry this. So now that it's all done, I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, now it's for the coating sauce. It's quite easy. Now, first thing you want to do is get your frying pan out. To the pan, we're gonna add some water, and then we're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of our Mak Tok sweet chili paste. A pinch or 2 of salt in here, just to season it a little. And now let's add in our vegan wings. While you're coating it, turn off the heat. Look at our wings. Alright, now to this, we're gonna just garnish it with some spring onion. And last but not least, let's add some sesame seeds. There you have it. This is our sweet chili vegan wings. Let's chuck it. This also tastes something like a traditional Malaysian snack called keropok lekor. Right guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you've got any friends who enjoy vegan wings, just tag them in. And if you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below. Alright, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!